Today's topic is retirement of a partner. Say A, B and C were in a partnership firm. B wants to retire from the business. So the existing partner will be A and C and the retiring partner is B. At the time of retirement, we will consider the following things. Number 1, different profit sharing ratio. Number 2, treatment of goodwill. Number 3, valuation of assets and liabilities. Number 3, distribution of undistributed profits and reserve. And number 5, final payment to the retiring partner. First, different profit sharing ratio. At the time of retirement, we can see 3 types of profit sharing ratio. Number 1, old profit sharing ratio. Number 2, new profit sharing ratio. And number 3, gaining ratio. Number 1, old profit sharing ratio. The profit sharing ratio of all partners, including the retiring partner, before retirement is called old profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio, the profit sharing ratio of existing partners after retirement is called new profit sharing ratio, and the profit or losses gained by the existing partner after retirement is called gaining ratio. Right? Example. A, B, C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:2:1. 2:2:1. 2:2:1. A retired from the business. Calculate different profit sharing ratio. তাহলে তোমরা দেখো কি কজন পার্টনার, there are 3 partners A, B and C. Who is retiring from the business? A is retiring from the business. So the existing partner will be B and C. The profit sharing ratio shared by all partner A, partner B and partner C কত? 2:2:1. Therefore all profit sharing ratio A হচ্ছে 2/5, B হচ্ছে 2/5 and C হচ্ছে 1/5. So write down all profit sharing ratio. কোলন দিয়ে লেখো A 2/5, B 2/5 and C 1/5. কে রিটায়ার করছে from the business? A. তাহলে B আর C এর profit sharing ratio কত? একে বাদ দিয়ে 2:1. Therefore new profit sharing ratio will be 2:1. New profit sharing ratio will be B 2/3 and C 1/3. B 2/3 and C 1/3. Gaining ratio. Number 3, gaining ratio. Gaining ratio is equal to formula লেখো new profit sharing ratio minus old profit sharing ratio. Gaining ratio, new profit sharing ratio minus old profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio minus old profit sharing ratio. Old profit sharing ratio. দেখো আমাদের সাইনে new profit sharing ratio of B how much? 2/3. তাহলে B এর gaining ratio কি হবে? 2/3 minus 2/5. 2/3 minus 2/5. LCM কত দেখো? 15. LCM কত? 15. তার মানে কত আসছে দেখে নে? 2/3 minus 2/5 তাহলে 10 minus কত? 6. তার মানে 4/15 and C কত দেখে নাও? C 1/3 minus 1/5. 1/3 new profit sharing ratio minus 1/5. LCM কত? 15. তার মানে কত? 5 minus 3 is equal to কত? 2/15. তাহলে therefore gaining ratio 4:2, that means 2:1. Gaining ratio is equal to 4:2, gaining ratio 4:2, that is 2:1. ক্লিয়ার প্রত্যেকের? এটা কি করলাম আমরা? ডিফারেন্ট প্রফিট শেয়ারিং রেশিও at the time of retirement. Next topic, treatment of goodwill at the time of retirement. Treatment of goodwill at the time of retirement. আমরা দুটো মেথডে এটা করতে পারি। First method, total value of goodwill is raised and after that total value of goodwill is written off. Second method, only retiring partners share of goodwill is considered. Let's write down the first method, when full value of goodwill is raised and then written off. First number 1 journal, when goodwill account is raised. When goodwill account is raised, देखो goodwill account debit to all partners capital account. Goodwill account debit to all partners capital account. Goodwill account debit to all partners capital account. We have to raise the full value of goodwill. Next, number 2, when goodwill account is written off. First method is second journal, when goodwill account is written off. When goodwill account is written off. Existing partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Existing partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Partners capital account debit to goodwill account. Being goodwill account written off among existing partners in new profit sharing ratio. Goodwill account, being goodwill account is written off among existing partners in new profit sharing ratio. Second method, we are considering only retiring partners share of goodwill. The journal entry is existing partners capital account debit, existing partners capital account debit, existing partners capital account debit to retiring partners capital account. Retiring partners capital account. The amount will be adjusted in gaining ratio. The amount will be adjusted in gaining ratio. The amount will be adjusted in gaining ratio. In gaining ratio. Gaining ratio. একটা ছোট্ট তাহলে একটা এক্সাম্পল নিচ্ছি এইটুকুর উপরে বেস করে। A, B and C are partners. A, B and C are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio. Sharing profits and losses in the ratio 2:1. Just previous যে এক্সাম্পলটা দিচ্ছি সেটাকেই আমরা বেস করে এটা করছি 2:1. A returns from the business. A returns from the business. From the business. From the business. At the time of retirement. At the time of retirement. Value of goodwill of the firm. Value of goodwill of the firm is considered rupees 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Pass the journal entry regarding. Pass the journal entry regarding treatment of goodwill. Pass the journal entry regarding treatment of goodwill. তাহলে আমরা দেখো জাস্ট আগের অঙ্কটাতে আমরা কি কনসিডার করেছি, ওল্ড প্রফিট শেয়ারিং রেশিও কত 2:1, নিউ প্রফিট শেয়ারিং রেশিও 2:1 অ্যান্ড স্যাক্রিফাইসিং রেশিও অলসো 2:1। তাহলে আমরা টোটাল ভ্যালু অফ গুডউইল ফার্স্ট মেথড যদি আমরা ফলো করি, ফার্স্ট মেথডে উই হ্যাভ টু রেজ গুডউইল বিফোর রিটায়ারমেন্ট অ্যান্ড we have to write up goodwill after retirement. We have to raise goodwill among A, B and C in old profit sharing ratio, that is 2:1. We have to write up goodwill after retirement in the ratio 2:1. So the first entry will be goodwill account debit 1,20,000, goodwill account debit 1,20,000, to S capital account, to B's capital account, to C's capital account, to S capital account, to B's capital account, to C's capital account. S capital কত আসবে দেখো 1,20,000 into 2 by 5, 1,20,000 into 2 by 5. B ও কত আসবে 1,20,000 into 2 by 5. C কত আসবে 1,20,000 into 1 by 5. That means 48,000, 48,000 and 24,000. 48,000, 48,000 and 24,000. হলো, এটা আছে narration দাও। Being goodwill account raised, being goodwill account raised among all partners, in all profit sharing ratio. All bolte among all partners including the retiring partner, in all profit sharing ratio 2:2:1. 2:2:1. This amount will be written off after admission. It will be written off among existing partners in new profit sharing ratio. New profit sharing ratio 2:1. B's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to goodwill account. B's capital account debit 2/3 into 1,20,000. B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit to goodwill account. C's capital account debit to goodwill account. তাহলে B's capital কত আসবে 1,20,000 into 2 by 3. That means 80,000. C's capital কত আসবে 1,20,000 into 1 by 3. 40,000. To goodwill account কত আসবে 1,20,000. Narration: being goodwill account written off, being goodwill account written off among existing partners, in new profit sharing ratio, in new profit sharing ratio. Clear? এটা গেল একটা মেথড। এই মেথডে আমরা কিছু we are considering the total value of goodwill of the firm. সেকেন্ড মেথডে যখন আমরা কি কনসিডার করব only retiring partners share of goodwill। তাহলে টোটাল goodwill of the firm কত 1,20,000 আর এর শেয়ার অফ goodwill কত 1,20,000 into 2 by 5, that means 48,000। তাহলে আমরা গুডউইল অ্যাকাউন্টকে কি করব এক্সিস্টিং পার্টনারদের ক্যাপিটালকে কি করা হবে ডেবিট করা হবে আর রিটায়ারিং পার্টনারকে ক্যাপিটালকে কি হবে ক্রেডিট করা হবে কি রেশিওতে গেইনিং রেশিও আমাদের গেইনিং রেশিও কত 2:1 তাহলে এন্ট্রিটা লেখো সেকেন্ড মেথডে যখন আমরা when we are considering only share of goodwill of the retiring partner তাহলে লেখো B's capital account debit 48,000 into 2 by 3 B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit, B's capital account debit, C's capital account debit, capital account debit to S capital account. এ মানে কে আমাদের রিটায়ারিং পার্টনার টু S capital account. তাহলে 48,000 S capital account ক্রেডিট করো 48,000 আর S capital debit কত হবে 48,000 into 2 by 3 that means 32,000. C's capital কত হবে 48,000 into 1 by 3 that means 16,000 তাহলে কি হবে এন্ট্রিটা B's capital account debit 32,000 C's capital account debit 16,000 to S capital account 48,000 সবার ক্লিয়ার